Welcome to the channel for all lovers of antique pocket watches. A magnetized watch, especially the hairspring, results in the malfunction of the timepiece, affecting its accuracy. To start the process, you will need a demagnetizer. This tool is very affordable, costing around $10. You will also need a compass. Pass the watch over the compass. If the needle moves, as you can see, it is a sign that the watch is magnetized. Let's move on to the step of demagnetizing your watch. Place it on top of the demagnetizer and press the button. The red light will turn on. At that moment, slowly lift and move the watch away, keeping the button pressed the entire time. Repeat this operation twice. To test if it was effective, pass the watch over the compass again. As you can see, the needle no longer moves. It has been successfully demagnetized. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Subscribe to the channel and don't miss our upcoming videos.